What is going on, guys? In this video, I am going to teach you how to change your keyboard language on Android. Last time I have taught you how to change your keyboard color, and this time I am going to teach you how to change your keyboard language. Now, if you prefer another language on your keyboard, changing it is very simple. Just follow every step that I make and we are good to go. Anyway, to change the keyboard language on your Android smartphone, all you have to do is go to your phone settings. Once we are inside phone settings, the next thing we want to do is click on System Management. And within System Management, we want to look for Language and Input. Now, inside Language and Input, we will see Languages. If you tap that, there are several languages that you can choose from. Now, let's say I want to change my keyboard language to Japanese. So, let us look for Japanese. And I have found Japanese. What we want to do is tap on the language that we want. And as we can see, we now have changed the language on our phone. So, if we go back to our home screen, the language will automatically load. So, if we take a look at our keyboard, as we can see, I now have changed the keyboard language into Japanese. So to return it back, all we have to do is go back to our settings. So let us tap that and return everything into English. Now we have turned it back on English. So if we take another look on our keyboard, as we can see, it is now returned into English alphabet. And that is how to change your keyboard language. Thank you for watching.